Okay, our India operation has been started from 2008. At that time, we started with the technical center. But after that, so we promoted our machines in India. Now, so far, almost 10,000 machines we have installed in Indian market. So also we have a very strong application team and service team, as well as sales team as well. So our total manpower is 45 to support our customers and dealers. So this time, okay,
How's the response in India?
it was fantastic. Indian industry, manufacturing industry is booming. So because of that, last year we sold almost 400 machines, 45 million US dollar. So every year, so we are our sales performance is increasing. So this year we are expecting minimum 20% growth. Yeah.
Are you launching any new products here?
Yeah, today we total 6 machines displaying. Out of 6 machines, one real tape center for the EMS market.
Okay.
So now Apple and Samsung, the kind of the mobile companies are setting up the big factory in India. Because of that, we launched the one real tape center with the Mitsubishi controller. So another one is okay, our pallet change machine also is very popular. So for the Indian market, especially for the automotive sector. Yeah. That's it.
What are your plans for India? Future plans?
Plan, yeah, every year anyway we keep adding our manpower to support our customers. So and also we just studying as a local production and the kind of localizations.
Okay.
We are planning now. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Kim, for
Thank
taking
you.
this incident, and have a nice day.
Thank you, thank you.